Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to fix the unusual activity has been detected from your device message in Chatgpt. This can happen due to network changes, VPN usage, or security checks. We will walk you through each fix step by step. First, close all Chatgpt tabs and your browser. Make sure everything is fully closed. Once everything is closed, the next thing to do is clear your browsing history. To do this, open your browser settings. Go to the upper right corner of your browser and open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security. Then click on Delete Browsing Data. Select Cookies and other site data and cached images. Delete both of these. Once that is done, move on to the next fix. Restart your internet router or switch to a different network such as Wi-Fi or mobile data. Check if this solves the problem. Next, open a new incognito window in your browser. Go to Settings and open a new private or incognito window. In Google Chrome, click to open a new tab in incognito mode. Now, disable any extensions running in your browser. Go to Extensions and Manage Extensions. Click the three dots and remove any extensions that may be causing issues. After that, reopen Chatgpt, log out, and then log back into your account. Wait around 15 to 20 minutes before trying again. Chatgpt should now be working normally. That's it. We have shown you how to fix the unusual activity detected message in Chatgpt. You should now be able to use the platform without any issues.